Hi everyone, this is a video about this blood pressure machine that the brand name is SALTER, and the model number is Mibody, which is Bluetooth automatic wrest blood pressure monitor. So this one it's just on the go if you want to have less hassle of wrapping something around your upper arm and take your blood pressure. This one is a very good brand and very good quality as well, Salter, and it has 2 years warranty. And there is some caveat with this, that because it has a Bluetooth, just let you know right now, if you register this item on your Bluetooth app that is provided online, I'm afraid if you forget about your password or username or something like that, this one has 3 users, 1, 2 and the guest. And I'm afraid if you use the 1 and 2 user on the app and then you forget about your password and so on, I'm afraid the user 1 and 2 doesn't work anymore until you find out your password and usernames. But the guest is going to function still. So this one, I'm going to demonstrate to you the guest user, and here is what you can read on the side, and here it shows you the app. The app, you can use your Salter Bluetooth scale as well, and whatever that Salter is using, you can add it to your app. And here, I don't know why it turns upside down. Here it says chart your progress with our easy to use Mibody app. That is goes for the iPad and all the iPads and the rest of the Androids, I guess. And here you can use it, you can read it, pause and read it. And on this side again is going upside down, and then you can read this Bluetooth 4 enabled, connected to your smartphone, chart your progress with easy to use Mibody app, 2 users memory plus guest mode. So this was the one that I mentioned. Measure during inflation, date and time stamp, easy to read, backlit display. So everything is good, and at the bottom it just shows you, let me find the English one. I'm afraid the English one is not visible here. Anyway, this is for warranty and all of that. So let's have a look at it to see what we have in here. We have the device itself. I put it aside, and here is nothing, so I put the box aside. And here it says EU guarantee information, which is just normal usual stuff. And here is Mibody Salter body analyzer scale, and with the app you can use both of them, nothing at the back. And here is the dictionary. I don't know why they are making it so huge. Anyway, the English is at the beginning, so good. And it just shows you how to use it and what symbols means on the screen there. and then how to pair your device with this, positioning the cuffs. And you know, when you are using one of these, your armrest has to be at the level of your heart, and as it gets lower, the pressure is going higher, and as it goes higher than the heart, the pressure is going lower. So be careful to just adjust for those eventuality. Maybe you use it in a hurry, and maybe you can. This is another language. So now I put all of this aside and we go to the unit itself. It has a battery compartment here. Let me see, it's here, and when you open it, it is not very easy. You face with two AAA batteries. That is good. And then here it just shows you the level of your armrest, how it's supposed to be against your heart, and how you are going to place it on your wrist. I show you all of that, and this is very handy if you don't know how to use this. It has a velcro at the back, and when you use this, the item has to be facing you to avoid reading upside down, and then place it 1 or 2 centimeters above your hand. So now everything is in place, and when you press start, I'm using the guest in this scenario, and as soon as you press it, it's just starting to measure. Of course, I'm talking and I'm doing everything, so it's not ideal for this, and holding it relatively level with my heart, and if it's high or low, you just make some adjustment for that. So now, because I was talking and everything, and I'm so excited, 96 beat of pulse, 79 heartbeat, 79 dialysis, and 153 systolic, diastolic. Anyhow, this is a short video about this, and I'm afraid I haven't downloaded the app. So you can download the app, and the app is going to store all of this with a time punch at each takings, and you know time and date when and what time you took it, and this is a very good relatively, and it has a safety feature that it goes off by itself to preserve the battery, but because of the excitement that I had, you know, I talk too much. Anyway, we take it once more and we end this video. The price of this unit is between £20 up to £35. It depends on the specifications, but this one is, you can purchase it even under £25. So bear in mind that you have to place this level to your heart and 2 centimeters above your wrist and your hand, and while you are doing this, you have to stay quiet, and you know, you shouldn't immediately take your blood pressure after eating or drinking tea or coffee, and you have to be at rest position to do this. Anyway, this blood pressure is a little bit more favorable, and I'm a little bit excited to doing this, and this is the time and date, but I haven't set any of those precisely. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.